He have to go. That is the demand of the students.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Ngayobha Langthar, informed that the Meghalaya government is yet to receive any information from the Defence Ministry regarding the allocation of land for relocating 342 families from the Harijan colony at Them Yeo Maulong. However, the state government is set to take a final call soon on the proposed relocation.
Don't worry, we will take call very soon. We will take a final call very soon. At the earliest possible. At the earliest possible. Not this month, that month, but at the earliest possible. No, we will yet to decide that. How to move it finally, we will yet to decide. No, as of today, no. As of today, no. No communication. No, we are not planning, so we are yet to finalize what type of decision we are going to decide, but we are planning to finalize it now, in a very short time. As you are aware, the blueprint is already there.